do not sleep on Five Below. They've been amazing the past month, and I've collected several things. I even showed you a few videos of how to upcycle or update some of the tables that they have. I turned them into plant stands. I will link that video down below, and I even recently used a stool of theirs in my bathroom update, and I use it as another plant stand because all the other ones are currently occupied. I'm slowly becoming a plant mom. But moving on, just a quick haul today. These are some high-end items you can buy right at Five Below. They don't require you to craft them, update them, paint them, anything, unless you want to. So to get started, I am going to ask you to like, share, and subscribe. I'm also gonna put up my Instagram handle somewhere in this video. And the first item, which I'm obsessed with right now, is the acrylic shelf. Now these shelves, I'll show it to you, retail for up to $50 at CB2. I know that they're around the same price point, if not $30 at Container Store, and I will link those down below as well, just so you can see the price difference. It might also be a sizing difference. I didn't look that up, but the fact that these are acrylic shelves and they're $5 a piece is absolutely amazing. And I'll show it to you opened out of the box as well. So the next item is a mirror. It is magnifying and it lights up and it holds your jewelry. It is matte black, which, as I told you, is the color for 2021. And I got it because I wanted the one at Target. You know, the price point's not terrible and it looks really nice. It definitely has that industrial vibe that I wanted in my bathroom. But for $5, I couldn't say no to the one from Five Below. Here's the mirror. I'm gonna try not to blind you. It does take 2 AA batteries here. And then on the bottom, you see there is the tray for your jewelry. Can I do this without blinding you? And then this is the mirror. And I am gonna show it to you lit up in just a moment. So $5, pretty good price. I know it also comes in a heart shape, and then it also comes in the color pink and white if that's better for your space. Favorite item, and I just bought it today. Today is Saturday, by the way. God forbid I don't go out to the store on a weekend. So it is the natural water hyacinth bin. It's really a tray, and I don't know if I can get it in frame. Look how nice it look. It's bigger than my head, you guys. Look at this. It's ridiculous. And it was only $5. So this is an excellent tray for any space. If you're boho, if you are modern, if you're loving Studio McGee right now at Target, this is the item you should be buying at Five Below. And honestly, if this were Studio McGee with threshold at Target, it would have cost me $30, maybe even more. So nice big tray. And then the next item that I just dropped, surprise, is this tray table. And I'll insert some other photos and videos for you so you can see it open out of the packaging. This is a tray table. The tray simply sits on top. It doesn't lock on or anything, so you do want to be careful. Can you see that? Okay. Sorry about the ring light, guys. There you go. Again, $5 for a nice tray table. I'm currently using it to hold my plants. But even if you're getting ready for your spring decorating, if you're getting ready to decorate your patios for the summer, now that the weather is getting warmer here, I would definitely recommend this tray table. And the height, it says, is 18 inches and the width is 14. So it's perfect as a little side table on your patio, or currently as another plant stand, which is what I'm using it for. And now the fifth item is another table. I know it'll be a short table. Again, it could work as a plant stand, of course, but it's so pretty and really just glamorous and modern in my opinion. It's got a gold surround. Here is the table. And I'll put it together for you guys so you can see. The one thing I do like about Five Below is that their pieces are really easy to put together. You don't need a power drill or a screwdriver or anything. You can just screw the legs on, as you'll see shortly. So another table, it's white on the outside here. It does come in green. Then I noticed a beautiful sort of Kelly green. It was really nice. And then I'm gonna turn it around so you can see it has the gold on the back and then the gold on the lip as well. Most from Five Below. They're fantastic right now. If you just need some quick, easy pieces to put in your space, to update your space or refresh it, I definitely recommend that you go to Five Below. They have everything you could possibly want. I am going to insert some clips at the end of this video so that you can see some of the other items that they happen to have at the store. There are pillows, there are baskets just like this bin I purchased, or tray that I purchased as well. So many things. Faux plants, if you just need to set up a display or a vignette in your space. I mean, quite amazing. I'm very, very excited by Five Below this month, this past month even. They just have great stuff for your space. So I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope you like my quick little video. I hope it's quick. We'll see after I edit. And I hope that you join me again next week for another video. I have yet to determine what I'm going to do, but we'll see. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. Bye.